There's an interesting market situation on Volatility75 index. So here in today's video, I would want us to have a market analysis on this index. I would want us to have a market breakdown on this index price action, basically on analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. So do it to stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this analysis. So coming to the monthly time frame, because you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I start from a high time frame, and this high time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame. So it's very much advisable to start from a higher time frame when analyzing the market. Business is that so you can be able to spot your levels and zones, your important levels, your key levels and zones. You can be able to identify the market structure, spot the overall market direction. Right, it's very much important because it puts you to an advantage on your market analysis. So on the monthly time frame on this index, we can see that this index is on a downtrend. It's clearly seen, right? This index is on a downtrend. You can see markets creating lower highs, couple of highs and lows, but lower highs and lower lows. Starting from this equal highs, price from that zone, market has been creating lower highs, series of lower highs and series of lower lows. So we got this market structure spotted and identified, and we can tell that this index is on a clear downtrend. Got our lower lows at this point, a low at that zone, and that low here, basically, and that low at this point. So we got about 3 lower highs and 3 lower lows, which is a clear downtrend on the monthly time frame. So the bigger time frame trend is bearish. It's very much clear. So what do we expect of this index? Looking at the previous market direction, we can tell that this index was in an uptrend previously. This index was in an uptrend, which this uptrend got broken at this point. There was a break of this uptrend at this zone. Market now shifted from an uptrend market to a downtrend market. So we could say that market is trying to approach these lows, right? These lows that was formed at this point. Your market is trying to get to these lows in the coming weeks and months, would say. So coming to fill up this buy gap, the sales is expected, long-term sales is expected on this index. That's just my prediction, basically, by high time frame prediction. Now let's go to the weekly time frame to have a look and view on this index as well. So on this weekly time frame, we can see the clear market direction. Let's clear our chart to spot this properly. Right, I see the clear market direction is very much clear. This index is on a downtrend, right? So the next thing I do, basically, after spotting the market direction on a higher time frame, is to spot my possible levels, my possible level of support and resistance, and my key zones on this higher time frame. So we got one of those levels at this point, basically one of those important zones. You can see market reaction here previously, the historical market reactions on this level. We got price buy on this level as a support here. There was a big blue, support broken, turned resistance. So this level should be spotted, this level should be identified. So our next level possibly is at this zone, is at this point. Why? Is because we got market reactions at this point. Price sold on the test of this level resistance. We got a couple of market reactions. Remember, this is the weekly time frame, so every candlestick we see right here took 7 days to form. It took 1 week for each and every candlestick we see on this chart. So if we get some market reactions, price on this level for weeks, couple of weeks, like 2-3 weeks, we're getting the sales on this index at this zone. Right, then price came back to the same level, reacted on it, got the reactions on it. Price bottom as a support, resistance, market reaction at this point as well, resistance, and I'm getting the sales to the downside. And the only low we got, which we could say, okay, is a level of support, a level that price could hold on to, is at this point. And we can see the market is trying to approach this level. Market trying to approach this level, and we have our next level, would say, at this zone. So you can see market reactions at this point. Price bottom as a support, and these are another important level we got, basically. So are we to get price? And we are yet to get a retest of this broken level of support. This level we've got market reactions on. We've got price hold on to this level as a support for a very long time, for some time now. So after the break of this level, we can see that price has been selling to the downside. Price has been selling after price broke below this level. Now we could expect a retest of this level in the coming days for more sales on this index, and we could also see price continue selling from its current price level. So anything could happen on this index, but we have to still keep analyzing to see what's next, what's up with this index. Right, so let's go to the daily time frame basically to have a look on this market structure. So on the daily time frame, you can see that price is giving a downtrend formation, creating lower highs and lower lows. Right, it's clear that the daily time frame structure is also bearish. Everything is looking bearish, but this formation as well looks like a descending channel. It looks like a pennant, kind of a triangular formation, but not really a perfect one, but is best referred to as a descending channel. Right, and we got reactions at this point. We got market reactions at this zone, basically. Market reactions at this zone. We got price buy and sell on this level as a resistance and as a support. Price bought from as a support, right? Support here, resistance, and we're still getting market reaction at this point as a resistance. But this formation looks tricky because price could break above this level as a support, as a broken level of resistance, turn support for a retest. Remember, we are expecting the retest because we're yet to get a retest of this broken level of support. So we're expecting price to come retest this level, and for price to come retest this zone, we should expect a buy move to the upside. Short-term buy move basically would say to the upside. So everything is still making sense because we got on that level here, which if price could sell to the downside, we would get the reversal from this point. We could see price come test this zone, like it give more sales for a test of this level. Then we get the buys from this current, from that level, from that zone, from this zone basically to the upside. So this is my trade projection basically, my trade projection generally, because we could see a break of this descending channel, which is a bullish reversal pattern. We could get bullish moves in the coming days and hours, would say. And I saw a formation on the weekly time frame, right? Is that the weekly time frame? Right, this the weekly time frame candle closed in a bullish form, which means that we could get a bullish week on the Volatility75 index. You can see this last weekly time frame candle, this last candle at this point, this last candle is a bullish candle. So we could see the buys, but before the buys, we could get a little retracement, a little sells to this zone, right? Little sells to this zone for the buys. So that's my trade projection basically. What I will do is to wait for price to either retest this level or give the upside move, but I wouldn't be looking for any sell opportunity on VN5 index regardless of this downtrend structure we spotted on the daily time frame. Regardless of this structure we identified here, I wouldn't be looking out for any sell opportunity on this index. Instead, I'm on the buy side of the market. I'll be looking out for buys, possible buy zones. So one of my buy zones, my 2 buy level is either from this point, it's either price sells to this zone, then I would buy from this point, or price breaks above this level, gives a retest on it, like price gives the upside move from this current price level here, from this current price level at this point, right? Breaks above it, give a retest on it for the buy continuation, for the buy move on VN5 index. So that's my analysis, guys. That's my trade projection and my view on this index. I'm short-term bullish for long-term sales. The reason why I'm expecting the bullish move is for price to come retest this zone. Let's not forget this broken level of support or resistance. So that's my trade projection on this index. So that's this, guys. That's my analysis on the VN5 index. Hit the like button for more market analysis and trade breakdowns. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.